In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to determine access roles in Asana for admins, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find role settings, how to review who has access, and how to assign or adjust roles confidently. Start by signing in to Asana with an account that has admin privileges for your organization or workspace. If you don't see admin options later, double-check that you're using the correct account and that you've been granted admin access. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the Asana interface and click your profile picture. That opens a quick menu with several controls. From there, select the admin console. This is the central hub for managing people, permissions, and settings at the organization level, so it's where you'll make role decisions. Inside the admin console, open the Members section. This view lists everyone associated with your organization, including internal users and external guests. It's the best place to get a high-level snapshot of who's in your system. If you're on a paid plan, you'll see a Manage Roles tab. This is where you can review every user's current role and make changes when needed. If you don't see this tab, your plan may have limited permissions management, so consider confirming your subscription level or contacting your billing owner. From the Members area, you can add new users and assign roles like member, guest, admin, or custom roles. As a quick guide, members are people within your organization who typically need broad access to projects and teams. Guests are external collaborators who usually have limited visibility, often restricted to items they're invited to. Admins have organization-wide controls, including user management and security settings. Custom roles, where available, let you tailor permissions. Think of them as role templates that can grant specific admin-like capabilities without giving full admin power. When you change someone's role, it takes effect immediately. So consider communicating changes to the user or their manager. If you need to confirm what a specific person can see, you can also check a member's team-level access from their profile settings. Click the person's name in the members list, then review their teams and permissions. This helps you verify whether they're part of the right teams and whether their access matches your policy. Adjustments here are helpful if the organization role is correct, but their team membership needs fine-tuning. That's it. Use the admin console's members and manage roles views to keep access clean, consistent, and aligned with your security policies.